Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to install Grindr on laptop. So first, go to Google Chrome and search for BlueStack and install it. Once you install it, complete Google sign in to access the Play Store. Next, proceed. Go to again Google Chrome and search for Grindr. Then install it. And then open Grindr. Let's proceed to sign up. Type your name, last name, and birth date. Then click next at the bottom. Then always click accept. And that's it. You can now enjoy your Grindr app. That's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.